Deleting cell contents. To delete the contents of a cell or a range of cells, select the cells and press the Delete key. The contents of the cells get deleted. Deleting cells. To delete cells, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cell or range of cells to delete. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Select Delete button from Cells group. In the Delete drop-down menu, click on Delete Cells option, or right-click and choose Delete option from the context menu. A Delete dialog box with 4 options appears. A. Shift cells left deletes the selected cells and shifts the cells on the right to left. B. Shift cells up deletes the selected cells. The cells below shift up. C. Entire row deletes the selected row. The row below shifts up. D. Entire column deletes the selected column and shifts the column on the right to left. Step 4. Click on the radio button before Shift Cells Left option. Step 5. Click OK button. The selected cells are deleted and the cells on the right move to the left. In the given screenshot, the cells have moved from column C to column B. Deleting an entire row or column. To delete an entire row or column, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the row or column header of the row or column you have to delete. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Delete drop-down menu in Cells group. A list of options appears. Step 4. Select the Delete Sheet rows or Delete Sheet column. The selected row or column is deleted. The row on below or the column on the right shift to fill the space.